Well, hello there, YouTube. I actually got my first product review to do. These people from Super Clean sent me a bunch of products. I have all-wheel cleaner, dissolve greased, fast and easy, super fast, and I have used the grease before. I have a Blackstone in the back, and I get oil, like vegetable oil, olive, just oil on the concrete, and it completely removes it. So I'm going to try it on the Goldwing right here. You can see how my forks leak. Just terrible, terrible leaks. But I'm going to use the degreaser. I think I still have this on. Let's try it. Yep. I'm going to use the degreaser right here on this mess and see how it gets it off. It's on my brakes. My forks leak. These things are terrible. And both sides are dirty. So I'm going to spray it on, and I'm going to hose it off. I'm going to spray it on the wheels too, to see how it's get those wheels clean. Oh, look at, you can see it's coming off already. So that stuff's going to come off nice. And it said it's plastic, safe for plastic, so we're going to find out. I'm going to put it on the wheels too, just to get that oil off. Oh yeah, look at that. Get that oil off of the wheels right there. You see the oil from the shocks? I can see it kind of coming off already. So now I'm gonna let it sit on there for a little bit and hit it with the hose, and I'll get it back there too. Get that crap off of there. It's got some tar on there. So now I'm going to hit it with the hose. Look down here. You can see it coming off already. Turn my hose on. I think I did turn it on. So let's see right here. Oop. Jet. Oh, look at that. Look at that stuff come off of there. Get the wheels too, see what that looks like. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, look at it coming off the wheels too. This stuff is great. Oh my gosh. I've never seen these wheels that clean before, so let me hit this again real quick up here. Look at that right here. I've never seen these clean before. They were just nasty. Wow. I'm not saying that just because they sent me product. This stuff is absolutely amazing. Up inside there a little bit. Oop, I didn't get that side over here. Worst part about a Goldwing is the front shocks on a Trike. Anybody that has a Goldwing Trike, you know the worst part of a Goldwing is the shocks. Let's try it now. Look at that. That's amazing. All you do is spray it on, and it comes right off. All right, you can see it. Oop. How good that looks now. That's amazing. And look at the front wheel. This was all nasty right up in here, full of oil, and it's clean as can be. I'm going to use the chrome cleaner on that too. It didn't get tar off, but who would expect it? But this stuff, oh, I am completely, I will go to the store and buy this stuff now. after I use it all up. I have another spray can too, so I'll try that. But this stuff works incredible. Look at this. It dissolved all that grease and oil on that front fork. Well, I didn't spray that. Get it in. I missed a couple spots. Man, that's amazing. That is amazing. It just dissolves all that grease. Now I can't wait to try the wheel cleaner now. I'm gonna go ahead and wash the Goldwing and use the wheel cleaner and see how that works. Bye. Okay, gonna try the wheel cleaner on here now. I cleaned them pretty good with soap and water, but I'm gonna try the chrome cleaner now. Wheel cleaner. Let's see how good this works. It's off. On. I usually spray the other stuff I've used. Spray it on, and I got some other chrome I want to clean, but I'll put it on a towel and see how that works. Alright, I think it says directions. Clean 1 liter at a time, rinse thoroughly with cold water. So I'm going to give that a try. I clean both wheels at a time, so. That works about as good as the other stuff I've used before. I can't swear on this stuff yet, but we'll try it on some of the other chrome. I'll put it on like a towel. Put it on a towel and clean some of the other chrome. We'll try that. Be right back. Okay, I'm going to put it on a paper towel, and I'll show you some of the chrome I have up here. Let's see how this works on the chrome on the foot pegs. I'm just going to spray it on so I don't get it all over everything else. And these are actually always kind of dirty. Down here too. I want to clean these if I can get underneath there. It's kind of hard to get in there. I'm going to clean that chrome right there too. Yeah, I hate to rinse that off now though. I already blow dry it, so let's try that. I'll rinse it a little bit. I have to get my leaf blower out to blow dry. But one thing I didn't do is under here. Look at that. That's always kind of nasty underneath there that I don't always get that. Hey, that stuff works pretty darn good though. Look at there. Okay. That stuff works on that kind of chrome. Let's go on the other side. Hard to get in there though. That's probably why it gets so dirty. Yeah, look at that. That stuff gets nasty underneath there. Gets a lot of the road grime. Yeah, look at that. Okay, hose that off a little bit. Now I gotta get my blow dryer back out, my leaf blower. There. That ain't bad. Yep, didn't get up in there. That's pretty darn good. Didn't get my fender clean yet either, but anyway, that stuff, the degreaser is fantastic. This stuff is fantastic. And this is pretty awesome too. This is a sprays away grime and brake dust. Ooh, I'm gonna try it on the brake dust. Ah, I'm gonna give that a shot underneath. I'm gonna spray inside there. This brake dust will work good on my good on the Spider, because I get lots of brake dust on that. So I sprayed my brake calipers. See what kind of brake dust comes out of there. Yeah, can't tell. I probably got it out to begin with. Ah, I'm going to try it on the other side too. All right, let's hose that off. Probably shouldn't have sprayed the brakes, but oh well, it's safe on chrome, it's safe on brakes. I'll have a lot of brake dust on my Spider for sure. Well, that's pretty cool. I'm actually thankful that they sent that stuff to me. Haven't tried the spray yet, but I can tell you this stuff works incredible on oil. Like if you spill oil on your driveway, or like I say, have my Blackstone griddle out there, you have oil out there, it takes it right up. You just spray it on there, hose it off, and the oil and all the grease spots are gone. This stuff is great. I'll buy this stuff at Walmart now. That's where they sell it. I'll actually continue buying it after this. Bye. I'm actually going to try one more thing on this degreaser. You see my fender's got oil on it, so they said it was safe for paint. So I'm going to spray it inside here and clean the inside of this rim, which is pretty nasty with oil too. Let's see what happens here. Remember, I just showed you how dirty that was. Oh wow, I can see it coming off already. Can't hold it upside down. Okay, let's hose it off and see what it looks like. Wow, that's pretty good. It just got dirt in there, so I just need to clean it off with dirt. Where's my sponge? but it took the oil off. You get the dirt. Didn't take dirt, but it took the grease off. Let's see what it does. Hopefully it won't ruin the paint. It's not supposed to. Look at there. All that oil's gone from the shocks. That's awesome.